budget. So there are two types of budget. One is operational budget and one is financial budget. So the financial budget involves mostly the money terms, and it involves your revenues, how you are going to collect your revenue, where your revenue gonna come from, and then your profit and loss statements. Once you receive the money, how will you spend it, and then the cash flows. So where the money gonna come from, when you will do the investments, how you will do the investments, and also the balance sheet. Okay. Normally the financial plan follow the operational plan. Okay. So financial plan will be, operational plan will be the operating statistics. For example, like volume of business, how much you will sell. If it's a garment business, how many units. If it's a service business, how many customers. If it's a project business, how many projects we think we're gonna handle, and where we're gonna get them, what kind of resources we will need, what kind of manpower we will need, what kind of other activities we need, equipments we need for operating, for making our expenditure, what kind of marketing we need, where we get our customer. Do we do the print advertisement, we do digital marketing, we are going to do ad, or what are we going to do?
So it's like your operation is like it's a business or a product, and also is it depends on like projects. So if your business is like you do project based and then also product based, and then and also the service based, like a variety of those, then do you set your budget budgets like depends on like okay, this is
separate
project based budget, this is a product based budget.
Yes, so budgets will be segmented. For you cannot combine different type of businesses into one line and then say okay, we do the everything the same. It needs to be segmented. So segment means what are the, how we conduct our business, the products, the projects, the services, and also the products. So basically you have three different type of category that you can service. Either you are a service product, service startup, you may be a platform, basically is a service again, you may be a product, selling a physical product to either custom B2B or B2C, and then you may have projects. So you need to understand also what is B2C and B2B. Means you already understand, right? What is B2B? B2B means business to business and business to customer. But when you are doing the budget, B2B and B2C have different requirements. You think the marketing activities you need to do for B2B and B2C are same? Is it different, right? So how is it different?
B2C is much like quantitative.
No, marketing.
You have to go to the like much.
B2C means you are actually dealing directly with the customers. You don't have a one-to-one connection with the customer, right? How many customers, if you were gonna have 100,000 customers, can you talk to them one by one? Cannot, right? So you are doing mass marketing, where the message is going from the business to the customer one way. You are not receiving anything back from your customer most of the time, correct? But B2B is one-to-one marketing, because business to business is like a one-to-one relationship. You cannot sell them as a normal customer, because B2B businesses are very complex. You need to understand the business requirements. Customers are okay, like Apple phone is Apple phone, right? It's a standard phone. Most of the time every customer will need the same. But when you are talking about the servers, for example, is it the server are same? They are not standardized. They are specific to the business needs. How many speed they need, what kind of size they need, what kind of storage they need, what kind of use they have, operating software they need. So it's different, right? Every business will need different things. So you cannot make a standard equipment and then sell it out in business. You cannot do that. So B2B is different and B2C is different. So the marketing activities are different for them. So if you combine those two together, then your marketing activities are not actually correct. So you need to segment your business from B2B, B2C, and then products. Even within the products, you need to know separately what type of different products that you are doing. But doesn't mean that every nut and bolt you're going to do a sub-segment. So it basically the category of products. So you can maybe do heavy machinery, you may do categories of the products. So you need to do sub-segmentation based on what is the most important criteria of your most important component of your business. Not everything in one time. Okay, so marketing is different also for each type of product or each type of service. So when you are planning your marketing activities, you need to actually say, okay, this segmentation, how we are going to deal, how we are going to sell this particular product, where we are going to market this, how we are going to market this, and when we launch the marketing. Every customer have different requirements. Some customer need 6 months ahead of marketing to make a decision. Some customers make decision in fraction of minutes. So you may do a different marketing based on different requirements. So for that you need to understand your customer, correct? And then also it serves as a guideline. So you may have a preventive maintenance plan. You may want to do the guest activities, customer acquisition, how you are going to acquire new customers, how you are going to retain your existing customers, how you are going to upsell to existing customers, make new sales to the customers. So all of this is part of our business activities, business plans, okay, budgeting plans. So how we are going to do that, we will see.